Hey YouTube, I got Risky B over here. We are about to swap out our rear lights and put in LEDs for the backup lights, the turn signal lights, and the brake lights. Let's see how this goes. Hold on, check it out. By the way, if you like this channel, hit that like button, subscribe, share it far and wide. You know, we don't monetize it, but I hope you enjoy it. Be really careful taking these lenses off. There's 4 screws, take them out, and then just get a little plastic pry tool and work your way around it, but don't put too much pressure in any one spot. Just take your time where it's coming out and you get it nice and loose all the way around. Be gentle. There's a seal. Try not to break the seal. I left mine in place, then I vacuumed everything out to get the dirt out of there. Had one light bulb that was stuck, but I got that all squared away. Checking the brake lights. Brake lights, take 2. The only lights I was able to actually find for this in the LEDs was 7506s. And there's 2 7506s in the rear, the backup light, and your turn signal light that are just white. And then I recommend putting a red one in. You'll see me swap it out on the next piece here. Here you see I cracked the lens and I'm repairing it. It's a pain in the neck. I think the other ones are 5008s, but I could not find them. That's what they say on the front too. These taillights are nothing short of brittle. You can see I cracked it here. And then as I took it out, it cracked here. So I've got it glued. Hopefully that glue a hold here, and then I've plastic welded these corners down here together. And hopefully the bottom corners will hold. And up here where the screw goes, hopefully that top corner is going to hold as well, because this stuff's a little brittle. That's the best I can do right now to get this thing put back together. And why I took this apart is, key is in. You'll see the difference in the brake light here in just a second. Swap this out and put this red bulb in there. Instead, you can see that it comes on. And it's a lot brighter. So what I'm going to do is tuck this trim back up in here where it goes, because it is older than dirt. So I'll get that aligned up in here where it goes. I'm going to use my shop vac real quick. I'm going to vacuum all that out, and I'm going to carefully put that repaired cover that's been repaired for the second time back on there. Cleaning this out is really easy. I used some OD electrical cleaner and sprayed it in there as well. Just make sure I got good contact. Your running lights, you'll see I've got one out. All right, let's take a look at what the final product looks like here. Turn our lights on. Left blinker. Right blinker. Brake lights. The white lights that you saw are our backup lights because the car's in reverse. So that's the LED swap out. Wish it was easy, but and the only one issue we have is tail lamp and stop lamp lights are on. So I have to research that a little bit, figure out how we figure this out. Once we're on the back side of the car. Oh, that light right there is needed, by the way. So that one's not cracked. I'll take that back apart. That light goes inside of the white casing right there, and I think I'll have to look up what kind of ball it is. I had to dig that one out. I'm going to have to clean that up really good and put that in there, but we'll figure it out and get it in there. It's tail light.